Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your money over time. However, it can be confusing and overwhelming for beginners. In this video, we'll go through 4 steps that are necessary for you to be ready for stock investments. We'll cover all the steps you need to go through to be confident about kicking off your investment journey. If you're new to investing in stocks, there are a few things you should learn before getting started. First, you need to understand what stocks are and how they work. Basically, a stock is a piece of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small part of that company. As a shareholder, you have a claim on the company's assets and profits. Next, you need to understand how to buy and sell stocks. This process is called trading. When you trade stocks, you're buying and selling shares of a company on the stock market. The stock market is a collection of markets where stocks are traded. There are a number of resources available to help educate yourself on the basics of investing in stocks. 2 of the most popular resources are the SEC's website and Investopedia. The SEC's website provides information on how the stock market works, the different types of securities available, and the risks involved in investing. Investopedia is a great resource for learning about the different types of stock analysis and investment strategies. If you have the time, some of the books you might want to consider reading include The Intelligent Investor, The Essays of Warren Buffett, One Up on Wall Street, and The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. Before investing in stocks, it is important to establish your investment goals. Are you looking to generate income, grow your wealth, or both? Your investment goals will determine what type of stocks you buy and how you manage your portfolio. For example, if you are looking to generate income, you may invest in stocks that pay dividends. A dividend is when a company gives some of its profits to its shareholders. If you're looking to grow your wealth, you may invest in growth stocks or invest in stocks with the goal of selling them at a higher price in the future. Some good examples of growth stocks include Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and Google. These companies are expected to have an above the normal growth in the future. There are also people who prefer to invest in mutual funds or index funds, which offer a more diversified approach. A mutual fund is an investment fund where a group of people put their money together to buy things like stocks and bonds. An index fund is a type of mutual fund that is created to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500 index. This means that the fund is made of the same 500 stocks that are in the index. Ultimately, the best investing strategy for you is the one that aligns with your goals and your risk tolerance. There is no right way to invest, so you will need to decide what is best for you. When looking for a decent broker or online stock trading platform, it is important to compare the fees of a few different platforms or brokers to find the most affordable option. As a starter, a stockbroker is a licensed professional who buys and sells stocks on behalf of their clients. Online platforms are websites or software programs that allow investors to buy and sell stocks online. Second, consider the features and tools offered by the platform or broker. A decent broker or online stock trading platform will offer features like real-time quotes, charts and analysis, and educational resources. Some of the well-known brokers you can consider are Vanguard, Fidelity, and TD, while one of the best online platforms is eToro. eToro is a social trading and investment platform that allows users to trade a variety of assets, including cryptocurrencies. Working with a financial advisor can provide peace of mind and potentially increase the chances of success when investing in stocks, especially for beginners. It is also a very good and accelerated learning experience when you learn from a trading pro. There are a few ways to find a professional help when it comes to investing in stocks. One option is to hire a financial advisor. A financial advisor can provide guidance and advice on which stocks to invest in and when to sell them. Financial advisors typically charge a fee for their services, so it is important to shop around and compare fees before selecting one. Some of the top financial advisors in the US include Vanguard, Fidelity, Edward Jones, and Merrill Lynch. Once you are done with these steps, you would be ready to invest in stocks. You would have a clear understanding of what you are buying and why you are buying it. You would be more aware and comfortable with the risks and confident in your ability to pick winning stocks. If you like this video, please press on that like button and join our notification squad.